It could be the fact that the case is a little bit loose, so the case itself could just be vibrating as the boiler's working itself. There could be a few reasons why your boiler's making a vibrating sound. So there's a system vibration, which could be block pipe work, could be a faulty pump if you've got one in an airing cupboard. It could be the fact that the case is a little bit loose. It's an older boiler, there's some plastic bits on the casing, just aren't screwed in right, potentially broken. So the case itself could just be vibrating as the boiler's working itself. The easiest way to check that is put your hand on the side. Does it stop the vibration? Put your hand on the top, just have a feel around it. It could also be something a bit more technical, gas valve, fan, issue with the flue. So that's when you'd call out a gas safe registered engineer and say, this is what problem I've got. It's extremely hard to diagnose over the phone or over online chat or whatever. So it's always best to get somebody out if you're concerned that this vibration's causing a nuisance or it's preventing the safe operation of the boiler. A service might fix it. It might just be the slight tweak of something inside the boiler. But then if it is left, it can lead to serious issues. This comes back down to having it serviced yearly to maintain the safe operation of your boiler.